Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to use Quillbot, best AI tool for better writing. Here is going to go down in all-in-one tutorial. Now, what is Quillbot? Quillbot is a software bot that uses AI to write and boost productivity without sacrificing authenticity. So, in order to use it, let's dive right in. Now, in order to use it, open your browser like this. Here inside your browser, what you will do here is just type in on your search bar quillbot.com or https:/quillbot.com like this. As you can see, now what you will do is just click on search. Now it will take you to the Quillbot website like this. You can see it. Here you can see all things. You can see. Now the first one is how to log in. Now to log in, just click on this icon on the top side here. Now click on login/sign up here. Now wait for it. Now here this will come out. Now what you do here is just select the email you want to use, either your Google, your Facebook account or your Apple account. Here I will use my Google account. Just click on it. Now wait for it to load. Now as you can see, we have logged in. Now the second one, now here I will show you how each tool work in Quillbot. Here you can see many tools, and also by clicking this view more, you can see extra tools, which is translator and flow. Now here you can see grammar, paraphrase. Here you can paraphrase what your article. Here in paraphrase, where you can paraphrase your article. Here in grammar checker is where you can check your grammar, and here in plagiarism checker is where you can check if your content have any plagiarism in order to prevent plagiarism. Here in AI detector is where you can test what you humanize to know if it's AI written. Also here in summarize is where you can summarize an article, especially PDF. Here in summarize. Also in salutation generation is where you can generate salutation for an article and it will match. Also here in translator, you all know what is it. You can translate any article into any language. Now flow, at the end of the video I will show you how to use workflow. Now here coming down here is where you can use extra assistance, where you can add it as Chrome extension, Edge extension, Word, and also download it into your device, into your smartphone, either for iPhone or for Android. You see it. Now slide up. Here I will use one feature to show you an example, which is called grammar checker. Here I will check a PDF in order to know how it fixed grammar even in PDF. Now here you can see it brought me here. Here you can either paste the article or upload it by clicking on this upload document here. By clicking on it, also take picture by using camera or by uploading it from your storage by clicking this media picker if you are using smartphone. Now here inside the media picker, you can go to where you kept the document or the PDF file, anyhow any file you want it to check the grammar. Now what you will do is just click on it and wait for it to upload. As you can see, it have uploaded. You see it. Also here in the down section here, also it shows how many words the PDF file is. You see it. Also here you can see it underline the grammatical errors, and also here is where you can know how the grammar is. Like by clicking here, you can know how the grammar is. You see, you can check it by clicking on this grammar. It will highlight the errors. You see it. It highlights the errors. You see it. It highlights the error. You can click on this accept all. But in order to do this, you must upgrade to the premium version. So let's use another feature in order to know how this works. As using normal version, it can automatically fix the grammar error and also arrange it. Also you have seen it have reduced it to 39% grammar error. You see it. So also you can also download it by clicking on this downloading icon. As you can see, it have downloaded. You can open it by clicking on open. You see it. you see it have correct all the errors, all the grammatical errors inside this PDF. Now let's go back. Now here I will use also this summarize in order to show you how it can summarize PDF. Now click on this summarize text, summarize. Now what you do here is you can paste it or you can upload it. Here I will upload a PDF. Follow the same process. Go to the storage where you kept the PDF, click on it, wait for it to upload, and then click on this summarize and wait for it here to summarize it. As you can see, it has summarized it. You see it summarized it instantly. Now also here at the corner you can find other tools here. You see it, paraphrasing, grammar checker, AI detector, pattern checker, also translator, citation generator. Here you can see Quillbot flow. Click on it. Here what this Quillbot does is for you to use all the tools, all these AI tools in one app, in one article, or by writing one article. Now what you do here is just upload the project, write the project, select the project template. You can see it here. Now you can either create a new or select the project template. To create a new project, just click on here. Now what you will do here is just either import what you have generated or written, or upload the PDF or upload any document at all, be it doc or PDF, just by clicking here. If you are using computer, you can see Ctrl+V to upload. You know how to you guys do it. Now what you do here is just click on import here, drag it. If you are using computer, you can see what you can do here. What you do here, I will click on computer to show you an example. Now select the folder where you kept the file or the document, anyone. By clicking on it, you just click on it like this and then wait for it. As you can see, it processes it instantly. You see it. But now here is where the AI shine. Now here you can see the research, you can see source, you can see note, you can see AI review, you can see plagiarism checker. You can also check if it is a plagiarism by clicking on this plagiarism checker, and it will analyze it like this. You can see it is analyzing it. But in order to use this feature, in order to use this tool, you must subscribe to the premium version. You must upgrade to the premium version. As you can see, it is still checking it. Now you can also slide down here. You can see all the tools as I said before. You see it. You can summarize it just by clicking on this summarizing. You can paraphrase it just by clicking on this paraphrasing. You can translate it just by clicking on this translate, and also you can also know how many words is it. Also fix some error by clicking here. As you can see, it has fixed the error in this article. You see it. You see it. When this AI tool is the best when come to writing with a high productivity. Feel free to try any tool, use it, test it, and any question you have, leave it at the comment section. Now you can also, by going back like this, you can find your past project here. You see it. You see it. Now if you want to subscribe for the premium version, here just click here, upgrade to premium. Just click on it, wait for it. Here you can see the premium packages. You see it, the premium accessibilities. You see it. Go back here. You see it. Also guys, please, if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon. for more tech tutorial, and also if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Watch this video in order to know how to use notebook LM, an AI tool which can turn PDF into podcast. Just watch this video and also see you on the next video.